हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग जानेंगे इंटरनल क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ द चैप्टर 1 ऑफ हिस्ट्री, दैट इज़ द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट वाज Bastille? It was one of the largest jail of France. It was broken by an angry mob on 14th July 1789. इसे मतलब कि तोड़ दिया था लोगों ने जब उन्होंने अपनी खुद की मिलिट्री बनाई थी। नेक्स्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन डिड द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन अकर? ऑन 14th July 1789. Question number 3, why was Bastille hated by the French people? Because Bastille was hated by people because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Question number 4, what was feudal system? It was a system under which land was granted to landlords in return for military or labor services. एक ऐसा सिस्टम अंडर विच द लैंड जिसके अंदर जड़ी है जिसके अंदर जो लैंड होती है उसे ग्रांट किया जाता है लैंडलॉर्ड्स को इन रिटर्न फॉर मिलिट्री और लेबर सर्विसेज. Question number 5th. Mention any two privileges of the first estate people of France. First privilege is they were exempted from paying the taxes to the state. वो टैक्सेस जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा पे करना पड़ता था उनको स्टेट को. सेकेंड प्रिविलेज है, द नोबल्स ऑल्सो इंजॉयड द फ्यूडल प्रिविलेजेस. जो नॉबल्स को क्लर्जिस को जो उनकी फ्यूडल प्रिविलेजेस मिली हुई थी वो भी वो इंजॉय कर रहे थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, व्हाट वाज टिथेस? इट वाज अ टैक्स लेड बाय द चर्च comprising 1/10 of the agricultural produce. Question number 7, what was taille? It was a direct tax to be paid to the state. Question number 8, what was the theme of the book Two Treatises of Government? In this book, Two Treatises of Government, Locke sought to refute the doctrine and absolute right of the monarch. Question number 9, give the titles of the book written by Rousseau and Charles Montesquieu. Rousseau ने लिखे थे The Social Contrast and Montesquieu ने लिखी थी The Spirit of Laws. Question number 10th, what was the theme of the book The Spirit of Laws written by Montesquieu? Montesquieu proposed a division of power within the government between the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. Question number 11th, name the three estates into which the French society was divided before the revolution. The first estate जिसमें आते थे क्लर्जीज, सेकेंड एस्टेट जिसमें आते थे नॉबिलिटी, है ना, थर्ड एस्टेट आते थे कॉमन पीपल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12th, which section of the French society paid most of the taxes before the revolution? Name one tax paid by that section. The people belonging to the third estate. Taxes paid by that section were tithe and taille. Question number 13, mention any two factors responsible for the French Revolution. एक तो थर्ड एस्टेट के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी टैक्सेस थे. सेकेंड, सोशल डिसपैरिटी, all the political rights to the people of the first and the second estate. Question number 14, who wrote Two Treatises of Government? John Locke. Question number 15, what was the slogan of the French Revolution? That is liberty, fraternity, and equality. So these are some 15th questions. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.